Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth product analysis.
Today, we're diving into the Smileactives Teeth Whitening Gel, touted as one of the best Smile Direct Teeth Whitening Kit refills on the market.
If you're looking to achieve that brighter, more confident smile from the comfort of your home, this might just be the product for you. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype.
Now, let's get into what makes the Smileactives Teeth Whitening Gel stand out.
Smileactives Gel is designed to effortlessly transform your regular toothpaste into a whitening powerhouse.
No more complicated kits or trips to the dentist. Simply add this gel to your brushing routine for a brighter smile.
Unlike traditional whitening strips or pens,
Smileactives uses PolyClean technology.
It generates a fine whitening foam that reaches every nook and cranny of your teeth,
ensuring comprehensive stain removal and a 360-degree whitening effect.
Powered by clinical-grade hydrogen peroxide, the same trusted ingredient used by dentists worldwide.
This gel promises fast-acting results. In fact, preliminary studies have shown up to 5 shades whiter teeth in just 7 days *.
Free from harsh chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate and parabens. Smileactives is gentle on enamel and safe for both natural teeth and dental work.
It's formulated for long-lasting results without causing sensitivity.
Now, let's talk about the real-world benefits and user experiences with Smileactives.
Smileactives isn't just about whitening teeth, it's about boosting confidence.
Users report noticeable improvements in the brightness and overall appearance of their smiles, leading to increased self-assurance.
Gone are the days of complex whitening routines.
Smileactives integrates seamlessly into your daily brushing habits,
making it incredibly convenient for busy individuals looking to enhance their smile without extra effort. With thousands of positive reviews and a strong following, Smileactives has garnered praise for its effectiveness and ease of use.
It's a testament to its quality and reliability in the teeth whitening market. Wrapping up our review of the Smileactives Teeth Whitening Gel, it's clear why this product has become a favorite among those seeking professional-grade results at home. Whether you're a first-time whitener or looking to maintain that dazzling smile, Smileactives offers a straightforward solution with impressive outcomes. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful,
don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews and product insights.
Have you tried Smileactives or any other teeth whitening products? Share your experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep smiling.